What does fractional or fractionated laser mean? You'll often hear laser described as fractional or fractionated. What this means is that only a fraction of the skin surface is treated at a time. This is contrary to the full field ablation, which we used to do 20 years ago, which completely removes the top layer of the skin. The first fractionated skin rejuvenation laser in dermatology was released in 2004, and they've continued to evolve and improve since then. This is how they work. So a laser emits intensive columns of energy, which are absorbed by water molecules within the skin. This results in a controlled heating of the water molecules, causing them to vaporize. As you can see by the image here, only a fraction of the skin is being treated at a time. This triggers the skin's natural healing response and allows collagen fibers from surrounding undamaged areas to fill in the gaps and promote renewal of the skin. This results in significantly less downtime, less risk of infection, with a similar resurfacing effect. The higher fraction of the skin you treat, the more aggressive the treatment, the longer the downtime, but the better the result. We can choose to be less aggressive but treat multiple times, or be more aggressive and treat less times. Although quite nuanced, I think a simple way of viewing the strength or aggressiveness of a laser resurfacing treatment is to consider the number of days downtime it provides. On a first session, I like to get an idea of how your skin reacts to the laser. A more gentle setting is applied to the first treatment, which should provide about 4 to 5 days of downtime. Once an understanding is gained of your response, the second session we dial up the intensity to provide a deeper, more intensive treatment that'll give up to 2 weeks of downtime. The results from this kind of treatment are quite impressive. This strategy affords a high degree of confidence that we are staying within safe parameters rather than going straight to an intense setting on your first session and potentially causing harm.